say, but I'm certainly...
Pia from Bali, you came all the way in, and what did you think of this Bloom Sydney 4-day workshop, 2 paintings?
It has been fantastic. I mean, I've never painted before. I've just played with colours, and
wow.
And this is because of you and your teaching style, you know, and your method.
Thank you.
And anyone that wants to do this and, you know, want to try out painting, this is the place to come.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, great, thank you.
So you're going to take them home or not?
Oh, birthday present for my son.
Oh, wow. Because you're going to Bali and you've got you actually don't have a lot of walls at home.
No, I live in a house with no walls, so
wow.
You won't hang on the walls there.
So cool. Lucky you're living in Bali. What a lifestyle. Darling, thank you so much. You've done an unbelievably good job and really, you know, lovely hard work. And
woohoo!
I know we're all slightly delirious after all our work, but it's been great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you.